Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. Because on the daily, I just wanted to show everybody that my target for a very long time has been this 78%, which is right around the 202.1 area. Now, it potentially could just keep on going up before and hit that level before it starts a big downtrend, or it could possibly, do something like this and go down, take out these lows, and then go up and grab that 78%. So we do have a few options. We got a very clear target. It's just whether it's going to go down before it goes up or whether it's just going to keep on going up. Now, right now, there is no reason whatsoever to think that it's going down. If the market makes higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then we definitely do not want to fight the trend by trying to go short. But instead, we just want to continue to look for longs every single chance we get. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I obviously wouldn't be trying to go long now, but these pullbacks are definitely where I would be looking for longs at the end of every single one of these pullbacks. As long as the 4 hour to daily time frame continues to make higher highs, higher lows, there's no reason to think that anything we see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. Just keep aware of what I said on the daily, because if it does break structure to the downside, then I definitely would stop looking for logs and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.